Hi everyone, my name is Chandan and I welcome you all to this platform of Utilitarian IAS Indian Polity की 2000 MCQs की सीरीज में मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूं. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी टेस्ट नंबर 55. 54th टेस्ट में आपके नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वर ओनली 10 ड्यू टू माय इलनेस, बट नाउ आई एम फाइन एंड फिट, सो वी वुड बी टेकिंग 20 अराउंड क्वेश्चन इन दिस टेस्ट. सो वी आर डायरेक्टली जंपिंग टू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. पिछले टेस्ट में हम लोगों ने 1070 पे ख़त्म किया था. वी आर स्टार्टिंग दिस टेस्ट फ्रॉम 1071. अ पर्सन रीड द कंसीडर द स्टेटमेंट बिलो एंड करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट वी हैव टू मार्क. अ पर्सन अपॉइंटेड एज अ जज ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट शैल सब्सक्राइब oath before the governor of the respective state. So that is a correct statement. He swears his oath to uphold sovereignty integrity of India as mentioned into the schedule 3 of the Indian. So that is also correct, and hence answer is going to be C, that is 1 and 2. The governing council of Niti Aayog, I hope Niti Aayog का चैप्टर आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा. The governing council of the Niti Aayog comprises of, so 4 entities has been given, 4 dignitaries has been given. Chief minister of the all the state, yes, governing council में होते हैं. Chief minister of all UTs which has legislature, yes, that is also correct. Lieutenant governor of all those UTs which does not have assembly or government, so that is also correct. And some ex officio members of the, so all these members or all these people are actually part of governing council of the Niti Aayog. So answer should be D, that is all of the above. Consider the following statement about president and vice president of India. The oath to the office of president and vice president is administered by Chief Justice of India or in his absence by senior most judge. So that is incorrect. To the president, yes, Chief Justice of India administered his oaths, but when it comes to vice president, who will administer? It is the president or any person appointed by the president. So this statement becomes incorrect. We have to tell the correct statement. All dispute arising of or in connection with the election of president or vice president shall be decided by the Supreme Court, whose decision shall be final. So that is correct. President और vice president के election में अगर किसी तरह का कोई dispute arise होगा, that will be decided by none other than the Supreme Court and not the High Court, right? So second statement is going to be correct, and hence B is the right answer. Consider the following statement about CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation. The establishment of CBI was recommended by Sanathan Committee. तो आप सभी को पता होगा कि yes, this committee had recommended, along with this CBI, establishment of CBI, it had recommended institution of one more institution. ठीक है, आप लोगों को बताना है कि वो कौन सी, either it was CIC or CVC, जिस सनातन कमेटी ने रिकमेंड की थी. तो कमेंट सेक्शन में if you want you can tell us. The CBI is not a statutory body, so that is also correct. CBI actually is not a statutory body. It derives its powers from Delhi Police Establishment Act 1956. अब ये आपको थोड़ा सा सही लग सकता है, but this is incorrect. Delhi Police Establishment Act, it should be not 1956 but 1946 rather, है ना. थोड़ा सा एक माइनर चेंज किया, आप लोग शायद इसे टिक मार्क कर सकते थे, but this is incorrect, right? Incorrect. So first and second statement happens to be correct, and we have to tell the correct statement, right? Make sure कि जब भी आप क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करते हो, ये इंस्ट्रक्टिव स्टेटमेंट 2 से 4 क्वेश्चन, मोस्ट ऑफ जो स्टूडेंट हैं, जो कि एवरेज स्टूडेंट, 2 से 4 क्वेश्चन है इंस्ट्रक्टिंग स्टेटमेंट की वजह से, बिकॉज बाय डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग है कि हमें करेक्ट बताना है, बट एटलीस्ट देयर वुड बी 10 क्वेश्चन जिसमें यूपीएससी में, जिसमें 8 to 10 क्वेश्चन जिसमें इनकरेक्ट एक्चुअली पूछा जाता है, और वो सही से हम लोग ध्यान से पढ़ते नहीं हैं, एंड वी मेक मिस्टेक्स. Next question. Consider the following statement. 3 statement has been given. Now this happens to be not of a current affair but a contemporary issue regarding inflammable ice. China has successfully mined flammable ice under the South China Sea. So yes, South China Sea में चाइना ने किया है, and Antarctica, yes, Antarctic Ocean में भी कुछ countries ने किया है. It is a ice-like compound called methane hydrate. So this question does not belong to polity. This question should either be of, not either be, but it should be of science and tech. Methane hydrates and could be key to future energy needs. So that is also correct. Methane hydrates were first discovered in Russia. So that is also correct. True बताना है. So all these 3 statement happens to be true. What are the different ways in which independence of judiciary is ensured? तो चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट इज कंसल्टेड इन अपॉइंटमेंट एंड ट्रांसफर ऑफ जजेस ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट. सो दैट इज करेक्ट. चीफ जस्टिस is, will be, always will be consulted in such cases. Judges are generally not removed before the retirement, so that is also correct, except for the process, difficult process of removal, right? They are not removed generally before the retirement, ठीक है. प्रेसिडेंट के जो विल पे वो या डिस्क्रिप्शन पे वहाँ नहीं है, वो पोस्ट नहीं रखते हैं ना, उनको इम्पीचमेंट डिफिकल्ट प्रोसेस, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. पार्लियामेंट जनरली कैन नॉट डिस्कस द कंडक्ट, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट, एक्सेप्ट जब इम्पीचमेंट मोशन जब मूव हो रहा, एक्सेप्ट देन, राइट, पार्लियामेंट और एनी मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट इज नॉट अलाउड टू डिस्कस द कंडक्ट ऑफ द जजेस. अभी रिसेंटली महुआ मोइत्रा टीएमसी लीडर, उन पे कॉन्टेम्प्ट का नोटिस, सॉरी नहीं, प्रिविलेज मोशन मूव किया था किसी पार्लियामेंटेरियन ने, बिकॉज ही हैड tried to slander an image or tarnish the image of one particular judge by conducting by discussing the conduct in the parliament, right? So all these three statement is correct, and this is how the independence of judiciary is ensured. So correct statement बताना है, D is going to be the correct statement. Who was the first non-Congress prime minister to have completed 5 terms? So इसको देखने की, पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया या फिर इंडियन पॉलिटी आपने सही से पढ़ी है, हालांकि ये क्वेश्चन शुड बी ऑफ पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया. यू हैव अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी, है ना, जिन्होंने पहली बार इधर बीट मोरारजी देसाई और चंद्रशेखर, ये लोग कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाए थे. पीवी नरसिम्हा भी हालांकि वो कांग्रेसी थे, बट उन्होंने, तो अटल बिहारी वॉज द ओनली नॉन कांग्रेसी प्राइम मिनिस्टर, नॉट ओनली, अभी तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर यू हैव नरेंद्र मोदी जो कि नॉन कांग्रेसी है, बट फर्स्ट पूछा है, फर्स्ट नॉन कांग्रेस, so it should be अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी. The Constitution of India provides for the term of vice president. It is provided for which of in which of the following articles? So it is article 67, ठीक है, जो कि प्रोवाइड करता है. The third schedule of the Constitution prescribes for oath and affirmation for all who all among the following. The third schedule जो है oath and affirmation, second schedule deals with emoluments. So Minister of Union का oath, yes, it has been contained into third schedule. A candidate for the election to the parliament, yes, that is correct. Judge of the Supreme Court, yes, इनकी भी oath उसमें mention है. CAG, yes, ठीक है. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that is D is going to be the right answer. The recommendation of Balwant Rai Mehta committee were establishment of 3-tier panchayat, yes. Gram panchayat should be constituted at village, yes. Panchayat Samiti should be constituted at district. No, Panchayat Samiti actually intermediate. पहले ग्राम सभा, then Panchayat Samiti, and then you at the top you have Jila Parishad. So correct statement we have to tell. So 1 and 2 only is going to be the correct statement. Consider the following statement about chairman of council, legislative council, right, upper house into the state, and mark the correct statement. Chairman shall vacate his office if he ceases to be a member of council. So that is true. Even speaker, chairman, any person who ceases to be, who is chairing any house, and if he ceases to be a member of that house, then he or she cannot retain that chairmanship, right? So that is correct. A resolution for his removal can be initiated in both house. How can it be initiated in the both house? If he is a member of legislative council, it will be moved or at least initiated into what you call the upper house, that is legislative council. So correct बताना है, only first statement is correct. The provisions of article 368 of the Constitution of India deals with, so आप सभी को पता होगा, it deals with constitutional amendment and procedure of constitutional amendment, है ना. Power of parliament to amend constitution, इसको consideration में रखते हैं. Procedure for the amendment and constitution of the constitution to be followed by parliament, ये भी बहुत close है. Power as well as procedure, so this is the most appropriate answer, right? And that's why I suggest you first go में आप पढ़ोगे तो आपको ये भी correct लगेगा, और ये correct निकाल लगा के आप बाकी के तीनों without reading you will go ahead, but that is not the approach. That here both the statement were seemingly correct, A and B were seemingly, but the most appropriate answer here is C, and hence C is going to be the right answer. Consider the following statement about powers conferred to the president under article 72 of the Constitution. The power conferred under article 72 on the president is a discretionary power. No, it is not a discretionary power, ठीक है. Pardoning power of the president is used by the president on the act and advice, on the aid and advice of council of ministers. So this is not a discretionary power. While exercising this power, the president act as a court of appeal. No, court of appeal की तरह ये एक्ट नहीं करते. सुप्रीम कोर्ट का अपर, मतलब सुप्रीम कोर्ट की कोई अपर एक्सटेंडेड ब्रांच प्रेसिडेंट का ऑफिस नहीं है फॉर पार्डनिंग, ठीक है. द पावर कैन नॉट बी एक्सरसाइज exercise in case of death of the sentence. So this is also incorrect. Death sentence capital punishment अगर मिला हुआ उस केस में भी प्रेसिडेंट जो है वो ये पावर का एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं. करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट बताना, none of the above, that is D is the correct statement. The first municipal corporation in India was set up by, so it was set up by at Madras. A. The constitution provides certain qualification for a person to be eligible for election as a president. Which of the following is not a qualification? He should be citizen of India, should have completed, yes, that is correct. He should not hold office of profit under government of India or government, that is also. He should not be a member of either house, so that is incorrect, and that should be your answer, that is C, right? Not पूछा है, not the quality, so this is not a qualification. He person who wants to be president, right, or eligibility, right, so he should not be a member. He can be a member of parliament or member of legislative assembly, but it's just कि once he has been elected, a person has then he will have to forego his membership. But initially, to contest the election, you cannot be saying that he should not be a member of parliament or member of legislature. So C is the answer. Consider the following statement about right to information and mark the incorrect statement. The act extends to whole of India. That's correct. हमें incorrect mark करना. It came into force in, that is also correct. There is a time limit for 30 days where third party submission is called for. अगर third party से कोई document वगैरह मंगवाना है अगर explanation के लिए तो 30 days. No, this is not 30 days, this is 40 days actually. ठीक है, so this is incorrect. ठीक है, the state governments are also permitted to prescribe their own list of intelligence and security which will be exempted, so that is correct. RTI is initiative of Department of Personnel and Training, so that is also correct. So only incorrect statement that I can see is 3, but 3 is not something that is present into this answer. 1 and 3 is marked. No, option यहाँ गलत है. Actually 1 and 3 है, then the designer of the question would have thought कि J and K में RTI अप्लाई नहीं होगा, but mind you after 31st of December I guess, if I am correct, right? So after 2019 है ना, to be specific, after 2019 RTI provisions of RTI does extends to what you call J and K as well. So only third statement is incorrect, rest of the statements are correct. We have to tell the incorrect statement, right? Incorrect, so only third, which is not present into the option. This statement, this answer is incorrect. Actually this is incorrectly marked, right? So I hope this you will have clarity on. Consider the following statement. In Indian political system, person other than member of parliament cannot be appointed as a minister. This is incorrect. You would have seen many members, rather your EAM, external affair minister, when he was appointed external affair minister, he was not what you call a member of parliament. He was given entry from Rajya Sabha, right? So it's not, it's just that once person has been appointed as minister, right, he or she will have to obtain membership of any of either of the house within 6 months, so that is incorrect. The Indian political system represents a fusion of executive and legislative authority. So अगर parliament का chapter आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा तो what does it mean, fusion of executive and legislative authority, you would be knowing. Correct statement हमें बताना, only second statement is correct and hence B is the right answer. Examine the procedure in respect to money bill specified in the context of state legislature. A bill shall be deemed to be money bill if it contains provision dealing with imposition, abolition, remission, alteration or regulation of tax. That is correct. A money bill shall not be introduced into the legislative. That is also correct. हमें correct बताना है. There are only 2 courses open for governor whom a money bill passed by state legislature is present, either to give assent or reserve the money bill for the consideration. So that is incorrect. The question to decide whether a bill is a money bill or not as per the discretion of the governor. No, this will be bill को certify करने का power जो है, whether it is a money bill or not, that belongs to the speaker, right, not to the governor. So third and fourth is correct, incorrect. We have to tell the correct statement. So C, that is 1 and 2 is a correct statement. Consider the following statement about protection of human rights 1993 and mark the correct statement. It shall not apply to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It is now being applied, now being applied, right? So this is incorrect. It was amended in the year, that is correct. We have to tell, अब यहाँ भी दिक्कत आने वाली, because this happens to be a UPSC question, previous year question, जहाँ it was amended in year 2006. Any matter after expiry of 12 months cannot be inquired under this act, so that is also correct. The act came into force through 76th amendment of the constitution. So this is not, इसके लिए constitutional amendment की हमें ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी थी. This was brought by a act, right? That's why this is a statutory body, right? So incorrect correct statement we have to tell. So correct 2 and 3 happens to be correct, and B from my understanding is correct. So this is actually correct, right? मुझे लगा था कि जम्मू एंड कश्मीर की वजह से इसमें भी पंगा पड़ेगा, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Last question of the day. Consider the following statement. There is no provision of joint sitting in the state legislature. That is correct statement. The legislative assembly can override legislative council by passing a bill for the, so that is also correct. अगर state legislature वाला chapter पढ़ा हुआ, दोनों statement आप लोग जानते होंगे, मैंने correct की. A bill pending in the legislative council which has not been passed by the legislative assembly does not lapse on the dissolution of assembly, so that is also correct. Correct बताना है. So all of the above statement happens to be correct, and hence D is the right answer. So with this we are wrapping up this session. We'll meet you into the next session with another set of 20 questions, and here we are not completing, but we are nearing about 1100 questions. So another milestone is being achieved. Thank you for being with us. Thanks a lot.